Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can save data or preferences in Unity between games. For example, in your game, if you let the player choose their mouse sensitivity, you don't want them to play the game the next day, and their mouse sensitivity returns to what their default was. You want to save their preferences between the games. Or another example we can use is the amount of kills. If a player gets 10 kills one day, the next day they open your game, they want to see the 10 kills that they got. They don't want their kills to return back to 0. And we can do this using Player Prefs. We can save data and preferences using Player Prefs in Unity. And Player Prefs is basically a class that stores player preferences between game sessions. Normally, if a player gets 10 kills from our example, when they open the game again, it'll start back at 0 kills. We don't want this. I have a game set up right here, and I'm going to walk you through it. Right now, this is what we don't want, right? There are 4 cubes, and when you play, if you get 1 kill, you restart the game, but it restarts back to 0 kills, and we don't want that, right? We want the 1 kill to save. I'm going to walk you through the script that I've had before I started implementing Player Prefs. So, right now, as of this moment, it sets the kills variable, and it deploys this function, right? The function, whenever the player presses down on their mouse, finds what game object the player is trying to kill, and it destroys that object and adds 1 to the kill amount. And then in the text in the game, it updates how much kills you've gotten. So that works for us, but it doesn't actually solve our issue. We want to save the kills, and this does not save the kills. So now I'm going to walk you through the changes that we have to make with Player Prefs to make sure that it saves the amount of kills. So right off the bat, we can go back to the kill objects function, and right after adding to our integer amount, we can say player prefs.set in kills is equal to kills, right? And that will set a variable inside of Unity that will save throughout the games, and it'll save our amount of kills. Now we can go back to start, and whenever the game starts, we set our normal kills to the player prefs kills. That way when this game starts, it's going to go back to the last time you played, and it's going to update. So in our example, last time I played, I got 1 kill. So when you start the game again, it's going to go back to the last time I played and save that 1 kill. Remember, you can use Player Prefs for a lot of issues. Like if you want to save data about a person, like if they make an account and they put their name in, you want to save what their name was. Like their name was Bob. The next time they play, their account is right there. There are many ways you can use this, not just kills or mouse sensitivity.
Soundstripe.